Hey guys, welcome to another video. Right now we're going to check out my buddy's 328i M Sport. It's a pretty cool car, I guess. Let me know what you think. I personally think they're okay cars. I'm not a big fan of BMW, but just watch the video. If you like it, I guess that's cool too. What's up, Bo? How does it feel to be riced?
Pretty good.
You're a fucking joke. Wow. I'm impressed. Must be nice. Must be nice.
Shut up and get in the car.
I'm getting in the car. Oh, okay. Really quick. Oh, that's the new daily. I have a video, but it's not done. I procrastinated a lot. Wow. Wow. I've sort of learned to appreciate this car.
Oh, absolutely. It's its own. Oh, this is doing that editor. Oh well.
Dumbass.
Yeah,
I have to appreciate this inline six. It's pretty sweet.
It's pretty nasty, man. I can't get enough of this thing, to be honest with you. It's
So would you take this over a 335i?
No. I really like the fact that it's naturally aspirated. It's really heavily tunable because it's a BMW and they come seriously detuned from the factory. So this is a really special car because a simple change of headers, intake manifold for the 330i, the 3-stage intake manifold. So the way that works is just the intake manifold was dumbed down for the 328i and the 325i because BMW needed different price points for their, or different power options for the cars. So that's why that happened. But so you take the 330i intake manifold, you put it on this car, and then you swap the headers, and you have yourself, well, and with the tune, and you have about 60 to 70 crank additional horsepower. I've seen a few dyno sheets on it. So
How much you pay for this?
that is a secret.
This is probably a good first car for any racer, right?
Yeah, absolutely, dog.
Alright, I approve this message. This thing's sort of impressive. Would I buy one? Not really. But they're okay for what they are. I really like this. Hey, shut up! People live here. Forgot about me. What do I do? It's kind of cold. Yo, where the fuck is this guy? Never mind, he's coming. Rice. So rice. But yet, I kind of like it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I really hate the sudden change of the weather. It really destroys my sinuses. I can't really handle this. Come on, racer boy, impress me. So in conclusion, boys and girls, don't buy this car. 1, it'll make you an asshole. And 2,
it is the greatest car ever fucking made.
yeah, the opposite of what he said.
This thing is a dream and a pleasure and a joy to fucking drive. This has been my favorite car out of the shit fucking 5 cars that I've had, 4 cars I've had. This is by far the favorite.
So, how much horsepower does this car come with?
Stock, it comes with 230 to the crank, about 197 to 205 to the wheel. It's somewhere around there. Depends on the dyno.
Yo, coming here at night is pretty creepy. Oh, look, there's some sea boys. Sea boys. This is why people can't have nice things. Let's go! And that's going to conclude today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share. Share your ideas in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys think should be the next video. See you guys soon.